Okay, so imagine robots that we'll build. So I built robots when I was in college, and I started the company while I was in college. And I wanted to understand how built structures like a bridge or a pipeline or pressure vessels, were they healthy and were they going to explode or fail us when they needed them most? And so I built robots that could use similar kind of technology that you use a sonogram for, ultrasonics, as well as visual cameras and a bunch of other kinds of sensors. And I put them on a wall climbing robot about the length and width of a briefcase. And those robots climb all over structures looking for physical defects, cracking, erosion, corrosion. And it's digitizing all of the data sets that we're capturing, just like you would do for a sonogram, but also localizing where those defects are occurring. Now, once you build out for 500,000 critical assets inside of Cantilever like we have, you get really good at figuring out when something's going to fail, why it's going to fail, and also how to help those assets run way more efficiently based on that data set. So robots that swim, crawl, walk, and climb, that's kind of the wheelhouse, and it powers software that no one else can compete with. There is, well, yeah, we focus on the most critical assets first. And the reason for that, of course, is you want to make sure that those assets aren't going to fail you. Now, what you're starting to see, though, as well from Gecko is an expansion into infrastructure that hits home maybe a little bit deeper. It's things like rooftops, it's things like bridge infrastructure, and even getting into concrete. It's things that ensure that, you know, if you're driving over a bridge on your way to work, it's not going to fall and collapse, and then reduce the amount of, you know, funny enough, like structures will collapse as well, like a roof. And anyway, the technology that we were able to create and the data sets and AI that we were able to create for all the sectors and the critical ones, like the military, like oil and gas, it's incredible the amount of application it has across, you know, the broad range of the built world. And that's actually, funny enough, leading us into creating technology that's helping to build and manufacture smarter infrastructure. So, you know, it's amazing when you can master the atoms, the bits begin to fall into place.